Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Self-Care is Essential. So today we will be talking about SPF. So basically, what is SPF? Why it is important? There are ample of questions coming in the mind whether SPF 30 is good or SPF 50. So today we will be covering all these questions right on the same platform. And if you have still not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the notification button. So whenever I'll come next, you guys will be the first to watch it. So quickly begin. So what is SPF? SPF stands for sun protection factor. Yes. So sun protection factor is something which blocks your skin, all the skin in fact, which are exposed to the sun and they block their skin from direct sun radiations, which means the sun radiations as in we're talking about UV radiations. And of course, when we talk about UV radiations, we should understand that there is a difference between UVA and UVB. So UVA basically stands for the aging factors and on the other hand UVB stands for the burning factors. Now there are questions coming in the mind that what is the best SPF? Because it comes in a number of varieties. It's either SPF 10, 15, 25, 30, 50, 80 and so on. We should understand what is best for you, what suits you the best. So when we talk about SPF, I'll take an example here to just make you understand this better. For example, if your skin takes 10 seconds for a burn mark, it will take 300 seconds if you use SPF 30. So it will simply multiply your seconds with 10. So when we talk about SPF number, it should be taken into consideration that what is the exact number for you. So when we are traveling from one place to another and our skin or let's say our body are exposed to sun basically for 10 to 15 minutes maximum, or let's say for a half an hour or max by 1 hour, then I would recommend your SPF 50, like up to SPF 50 would be the right thing for you. On the other hand, when you're actually planning for a trip, let's say to Alwar or to a place like Jaipur, where you actually feel that you're traveling from morning till evening and your complete body is basically from sun exposed, then I think that in that case you need to use SPF 50 and above. Or else there's again a chance when you actually go out and take a sun bath somewhere, let's say in the places like Goa, then again I would recommend to SPF 50 and above. So let's talk about my favorite SPF, which is Lotus Herbals Safe Skin. I'll just show you the picture for this, and this comes with SPF 40. Now you must be wondering that why it is my favorite SPF. Reason, because this is first of all SPF 40, which suits my skin. It has UVA and UVB both, which means it will act as an aging factors also and will act good at the burning factors also. And of course it works on all skin types, so I usually prefer the product which actually works on all the skin types. Be it my skin, I've already informed you guys that I have a combination skin, so this works really well on my skin. So this comes in 3-in-1 factors, which is sun protection, so it will help you from tanning, skin lightening, which is again giving you an instant glow, and of course a very important factor is mattifying. So you do not need a foundation or any sort of base in your daily routine. It's just that to apply this on your face and you're simply done. So when we talk about its availability, so definitely it is available everywhere. You can even order this product from their own website, Lotus website. Let's just talk about this product in detail. So this comes with a validity for 3 years definitely, and the price is $290 for 50 ml. Yes, this offers you 100 ml as well. Factor to discuss on the application. Now when you apply this cream directly on your face, or in fact any of the sunscreens directly on your face, it might darken your skin. Please be noted, it might darken your skin and it might gives you hyperpigmentations. So please be careful while you be applying this application. So I'll quickly show you that how it needs to be applied. So we'll take a small amount of any of your face cream. I'll take mine and I'll take just a pinch. If you could just see this, just a pinch. That's all. This is what the quantity I've taken, almost equal to both. I'll be mixing it well. And we can simply apply, keeping dotted. As I said earlier, then whenever you will be applying any of the sunscreens or any of the face creams, make sure you make it on the upward direction. Now you can see, as I have not applied this still on my upper area, you can actually see the difference. You can even use it on your hands or on your legs, wherever you feel that your skin are exposed to direct sunlight. And here you're done. So whenever you apply any of the sunscreens, make sure that you apply that thing 20 minutes prior before stepping out. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, any recommendations, I'm happy to take them all. Please write it in the below section and I'll be there to help. That's all from my side today on SPF. So if you like the video and still not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and you may share this thing with your friends and family. Thank you all. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.